actually hear me talk at a regular level while the mower is running, which means I can run this on a Saturday morning, and my neighbors that are a few hundred feet from me, this will not wake them up. So I like to get out early and work, so this allows me to do that. Well, got a package in the mail yesterday. What could it be? What could it be? Well, you're gonna have to stick around and find out today on Okies Eden. So thanks for being here, everybody. Today, let's unbox this and let's see what we have here, okay? By now you can read the front of the package. It's from Bakeman. It is a battery operated lawnmower. Yes, it is. So let's get this stuff out of the box and see what we are dealing with today on Okies Eden. So already this is pretty cool. I see that it has a catcher for grass clippings. Not a bad size for a small battery mower. It comes with a really nice instruction manual. But let's see how it's packed, okay? See if there's any damage. I like to always review the packing process. So already I can see I have the an arm or something. Oh, there it is. There's one of the other extension arms. And they already have the T-nut, wing nut, whatever you want to call it, installed on the unit. So, wow. Okay. Okay. The color is gonna pop. This is crazy. I really like this. You ready? Wow. Okay. Well, you can already see the way I'm handling it. It's very light. Comes with a wrench. That's everything in the box. So, check it out. It has the area where you push in your battery. It has a handle to carry it. Look at this. No damage whatsoever. You can just get the new mower smell, which everybody knows when you buy a mower, you want that new mower smell. Oh, look at this thing. It is 14-inch cut, and you'll see why that's important here in a few minutes when I review it. So let me get this baby assembled, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, everybody, so there it is. It is all assembled. It does take a DEWALT battery that is not included. And all it does is it just snaps in here, and that's what powers the unit. All in all, the assembly took less than 5 minutes. There was only a couple parts to assemble, being these and the snap clips for the cord. As you can see, it's got a nice metal blade on it. It's a heavy duty composite or plastic or something, but it has that. You can undo the screws here, these T-nuts, and this folds up. You could store it in your house. You could store it in a closet. Does not take up hardly any space. And even if you're an older person, it's very light. So now let me go get a battery. We'll get this thing up and running, and we'll see how it cuts, and I can give you my final review, including at the end, I'll do a short segment on pros and cons. So please stick around for that. We'll see you in a few minutes. Well, so welcome back to Okies Eden. We are back working on the review for the Bakeman battery operated lawnmower. It is small. It's got a 14-inch cut But the purpose I wanted this for was this gate. This is where we keep our rescue dog, Lexi. The grass in there, I have to mow 2 to 3 times a week. That's where this is going to come in. I always have to gas this thing. I check the oil, you know, sometimes it runs good. This thing's 10 years old now. Sometimes it runs good, sometimes it doesn't. It has its good days and its bad days. But with this unit here, I can just take the battery off the charger, pop it in the slot here, and I am plug and play, ready to go. So the 2 or 3 times a week, I have to mow in here to keep this down because it grows super fast in here. Instead of moving around this big clunky thing through the little gate, this thing is about 20 pounds. This here is about 60 to 80. It is obviously a gasoline powered engine, and it's steel construction, and it's heavy. So that's where this is going to come in. This should make my life here easier on the homestead here at Oakey's Eden. So let's power this baby up and let's see how she mows. We'll be right back. Let's do an easy cut. Okay, everybody, now the not so easy cut. This grass is about 6 inches long. I haven't mowed this in a week. So here we go. Ready? Okay, so let's talk about this. Pros and cons, okay? First, let me make the unit safe, okay? You pop this up. It does have a safety switch, okay? It has a piece of wire here that keeps that in place. And then you just push that down in the hole, and it won't run until you have that in there. And then I can just take the battery out. Always, always, always double check. Make sure there's no power left. You can push the button. There's nothing. We're safe. Positives, pluses, pros, whatever you want to call it. This thing is light. Look at this. The bagger attachment works better than my full-size mower. It has 3 wheel adjustments. I can set it low up to high. This is thick grass. Didn't even phase this motor. I'm using it for this area and one area in the back. Easy assembly. They sent this to me on a Wednesday from California, and I had it Saturday. So I'm calling that a win. Now, one thing was damaged. Now, cons. The only con I can think of is it does not come with a battery. Okay? It takes a DEWALT lithium 8 amp hour, 20 volt battery. They're expensive, okay? However, you can get the knockoff. 2 batteries plus a charger for $44 off of, I think it was Wally World or Walmart. So we got the 2 batteries, and then of course they gave me this unit to do a review on. So that's the only con I can think of. I can turn these handles. This folds. I can put it in a closet in my house. I can keep it in my shed. I can put it in the back of my car. So what is this for? Well, areas like this. If you have a condo, if you rent a small house and you have to take care of the yard, if you have small areas like I do that I have sectioned off because of gardening, the dog, and everything, instead of having to get the gas mower in here 2 or 3 times a week, I can spend 5 minutes with this thing, which I'll do that next. I'll mow this, plus the bagger attachment to be able to put in as mulch. So I call this a win. I'll put the link. They gave me the link. It'll go in the bottom. I believe you can get this off of Amazon. And I don't get anything for it. This is not a paid promotion. They sent me this to review. And that is a review. I think it's a great little unit. So we'll see you guys in the next one.